Welcome to 415 Judge Long Road here in Leesville, South Carolina. I'm Landon Loper, along with Janet Loper with Next Gen Real Estate.
This home sits on a little under 5 acres of property.
But check this out. It's in Saluda County, so you're paying less taxes than if this home was just over the line in Lexington County. But even though it is Saluda County, it's located right here near Batesburg downtown, and also to where you can get that quick bite to eat at Shealy's.
This home features a little about 2,600 heated square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, with some great updates to the kitchen and other parts of the home. So let's go check it out.
Yep, follow us. Welcome inside this home. As you come in, you are greeted by the foyer entrance, which does have something unique compared to other homes that are similar, like the set of stairs that leads you to the bedrooms. But keep following me here. This is the actual great room, which does lead you to the porch outside. The great room also features one of the 2 fireplaces in this home.
One of the things I think that you'll certainly appreciate about this home is the kitchen itself, which has the latest updates from the granite countertops to the tile backsplash, updated appliances, new flooring, and paint throughout the home.
Now this is my favorite room of the house because it's a very large room that you can turn into your man cave or your woman cave, game room, theater room, you decide. And as I was talking about earlier with the fireplaces, this room also includes that second fireplace, but that's not all. Join me outside here. I've got something else special to show you. Out here is where this awesome huge workshop is that does feature 2 garage doors. In addition, this home does have a formal living room which features these 3 huge windows.
And then off of the formal living room, you're going to find your everyday formal dining room here, which comes from the living room area but also comes in from the kitchen. Come with me just up these 2 steps. This will take you into the common hallway area that's going to then bring you over and into the master bedroom. This master bedroom also has its own private bathroom, which features a step-in shower. And one last thing to bring to you today is going to be the screen porch on the corner of this home with patio space wrapping around it.
So if you're looking for that home that's on almost 5 acres, you want to pay the cheaper taxes here in Saluda County, but you still want to travel a couple minutes to get to Shealy's Barbecue, this is probably the house for you. So give us a call. We'd love to show it to you in person.
And for more information, check out our website at nextgenrealestatesc.com/415 Judge Long. Thank you.
Thank you.